Hi, I am demonstrating how to use PicMonkey to create a mirror replacement. So this is one of the programs I like to use as well. PicMonkey is very easy to use, it's user-friendly, less options than Photoshop, but it's more condensed and easier to understand. So on PicMonkey, you upload your photo, and you need to, it is a background right now, but you need to turn it into a layer. So I hit the bottom here with layers, and then you convert it to a layer. So basically what you are doing is creating layers that will lay on top of each other to make a photo. So there are the options right here. And then for the edits, you have the options right here too. So right now what we're going to do is erase the mirror image and replace it. So when you click on that, it gives you options for just the image. And I'm going to do erase. And this will give you the size of the selector on your mouse. You can adjust it, make it larger or smaller. So right now I'm doing the largest because I am getting rid of the middle. And I'm just clicking with my mouse basically to get it up to the edge of the mirror frame. So I'm just going up to the edge and I'm clicking until it erases. When it's circular, it's a bit easier because the selector is circular as well. I'm going to make it smaller now so that I can erase this area here just above the phone that is slightly overlapping. So let's say you accidentally erase too much. You can just use the opposite of the eraser, the paint button, and this will restore whatever used to be here. So it restored that area. So if you accidentally erase a bit too much, you can go over it with the paintbrush and then it will restore what was that layer to begin with. Right. So now we have the mirror adjusted. Now what you're going to do is add another layer that's essentially going to go beneath this and show where the layer has been erased. So I'm going to go to Add Image, select from my computer, and go to my Photoshop folder where I keep all the images. And I'll go ahead and select this one. Can adjust the size. So you definitely want it to be as wide as the mirror at least. Okay, so this is laying on top of the, the dresser photo. So what I want to do is to put it beneath so that the image where it's been erased will appear. So this is where you can control your layers. This is highlighted, so it's showing this one is the one you're editing. Push the down button and it'll move it beneath. And it's still selected, so you can still move it around without it affecting your top photo. So let's say I just want it to look like that. So I push enter and that's basically it. So now I can save the photo, can download it. You have the option of the original file, the PNG, you can still adjust the layers. It will save as layers. JPEG is a lower res where you will not be able to alter the layers. It will just be one flat photo. But it's better if you do the JPEG with your photos because you don't want a huge resolution that you're trying to upload on social media, which will take forever, and sometimes it won't even allow you to download that big of a file. So just click download, and that's it. It's downloaded. And with PicMonkey, you have hubs. So they also have a record of what you've done, and it's saved. And there's the image. So that's basically how you do a mirror placement using PicMonkey.